And now you will watch the last part from our YouTube video with counting, and after the video we will explain the last second part slowly, step by step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. And first part we finish standing face to the guests. Here we had 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have side steps, in, out. So we repeat those steps twice. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So easy steps, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, exactly. So bend your knees, chill position, right and left, and right and left. And what is important here, partner gives me a signal. So he pulls and pushes my hand, he leads me. Take a look. At first he pulls my hand, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly. So we repeat those steps 4 times. Face to the guests, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we switch our sides. Sławek turns to the right side behind me, and I turn to the left side in the front of the partner. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exactly, but be careful, don't stand too far away from each other. At the end, remember, all elbow is a little bit bent. Take a look for partner steps. Partner turns to the right side. He starts with his right foot, and right, left, right, and feet together. One more time, and right, left, right, left. Exactly, and turn for a lady, the same steps, but we start with our left leg, and left, right, left, right. And be careful, remember that lady turns in the front of the partner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also partner gives us a signal, he pulls my hand, so it's easier to turn. Exactly. And now we repeat steps in, out, in, out. So in, out, in, out. And again, we need a signal, so pulse and push your hand. And again, we have twice. In, out, in, out. And let's try with counting. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again on 7, 8, Sławek switch our sides. He turns to the left side and I turn to the right side. Exactly. And now we will try it with counting. So take a look. We had 4 and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again we switch our sides. Sławek turns to the left side and I turn to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, stand in wide position, and on 5, 6, 7, 8 our hands goes up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. We have a pause. 1, 2, and now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8, we have a preparation. Hands on your hips or here on your waist. It's up to you. So we will show it face to you. On 5, we go with our hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And you can use only your arms. So start with your right arm down on 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Preparation. Or if you prefer, you can add your hips. So when you go with your arm down, go with your hip to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here or higher, it's up to you. And now in music again we have Don't Stop Me Now. So from this position we have a hips and we have front, side, back and a circle to the right side. So take a look. When we have don't, go with your hip to the front. Don't. Stop to the side. Stop. Me, go back. And now you have a circle to the right side. Let's try with counting. And 1, 2 to the front, 3 to the side, 4 back, and we have a circle. Let's try one more time. Don't stop me now. Let's try one more time. So here on 8 we have preparation and we have don't stop me now. Exactly. So remember, 1, 2 to the front, don't, then to the side, back, and you have circle to the right side. Exactly. And now again we have steps to the side, to each other, from each other, but this time we don't hold our hands, but we go in, out, and you can wave with your dress or you can snap with your fingers. Exactly. And take a look, face to the guests. So we had accents. Don't stop me now. And we go in, out, and again put your hands on your hips, and again we have don't stop me now, and now you can do it one more time to the same side, so to the right, or you can change it and you can try go to the left side now. So we have don't, now stop to the left side, me, back, and circle. So during the second time you can also change direction. Or if you don't want to do it, leave the first option. So try again to the right side. And let's put it together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe let's try one more time a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now again we have steps in, out, in, out. But this time we have steps in, out to the side only once. So from here we have to each other, from each other. And now guess direction and outside. So we need to finish back to each other. So at first, steps for a lady. So from here, so I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to the left, to the right, change direction, change direction and finish back to each other. Now partner steps, partner starts to the right side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we finish side to the guest. Sławek finishes right side to the guest, and I finish left side to the guests. Last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now again we have don't stop me now, easy. And again repeat, don't stop me now. But here at first you can look to the front, so don't. On stop, look at the guests, then go up and down. Or if you prefer, you can look all the time to the front. Don't stop me now. Exactly, and now we turn back to the guests and we have again, don't stop me now. But this time I use only my right arm and partner left. So from here we have don't stop me now. And steps for a lady, take a look from this position. I transfer my body balance on my right and I go on my left, or you can finish in the middle. So from here I go don't, and I stand in one spot. Sławek walks a little bit further. So from here Sławek puts his left, then right. So he walks further, otherwise we will stay with our hands too close to each other. That's why Sławek has a bigger step. Take a look. So from here, Sławek puts his left leg, then right. Exactly. Maybe we will show it back to you. So we have don't stop me now and don't stop me now. Exactly. And from here, I turn to the partner, and at the end of the choreography, we have a lift. And from here, I run to the partner, I lift my left leg, partner puts his left hand under my leg, and now I jump from my right, and Sławek spin around, and he puts me gently on the floor. And what is important here? Take a look. Sławek, in the beginning, when I run, he turns to me and he stands in wide position. And what is important? Straighten your back from different angle. So from here I run, and I need to put my left hand on partner's shoulder. And now I lift my left leg. Maybe from here, I lift my left leg. Sławek puts his hand, but not like this, but deeper. Exactly. And now Sławek puts his right hand tight. And now I jump up. You can use your hand as well at the end. And at the end, Sławek puts me again gently on the floor. So again, he bends his knees and he straightens his body. Exactly, but left shoulder a little bit down, so it's easier to put your lady soft on the dance floor. And this is a first option for a lift. We also recorded top 20 lifts on our YouTube channel. So if you would like to change this lift for something else, check this out. Last time with counting, so from here, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can finish during the lift and open position. Cross your leg and bow together. Or if you prefer, after the lift, you can balance from side to side. So to the side, sway together. DJ fades away the music, and at the end open, left leg in cross position, lift your dress and bow together. Partner needs to remember that during the bow, legs are straight and don't bend it, straighten legs. Exactly. And this is a first option for a lift. If you don't want to do any lift in the choreography, we have alternative for you. At the end, instead of the lift, you can try a figure, a pose. So we will show from this angle. We finished here, don't stop me now. And now I run to the partner and I have a slow pose. And now we can balance from side to side. We sway and at the end we open to the guests and we bow together. So take a look from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. I run to the partner and take a look. I need to turn right side to the partner. Right leg is bent, left is straightened. And now I look at my hand, hips to the front and go up and finish face to the partner. What about partner? Partner bends his leg. So he bends his left leg. And remember to hold balance, keep balance, and straighten your back. Don't go with your upper body down, but straighten your position at the end. So from here, turn your body and stay in this position. Maybe, yes, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a second option if you don't want to do any lifts in the choreography. And that's all in the second part. Now we will repeat this part one more time with countings. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all in our tutorial. We hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember also that anytime you can send to us video with your progress and we will give you more tips and advices. We keep our fingers crossed and wish you good luck.